Have you ever bought your dream car and then when you walked out to it, you noticed that it had a dent in it? That's exactly what happened to this customer. I'm James Harris and I own and operate Southside Dents and Cosmetics in the Hampton Roads area. And this is a 2021 BMW M4 that a tree branch fell on top of. Now this fender is aluminum and the damage goes across two different body lines. And as you can see, a lot of that metal up above the top body line got pushed high. So we're going to take this repair nice and slow because the miracle is the paint wasn't damaged. So it's an excellent candidate for PDR. Now the key to this repair was just staying patient with it. I wanted to make sure that I used lots of heat to keep the paint and metal flexible. I wanted to make sure that I didn't push too aggressively or hit too aggressively. We really just wanted to stay patient with this because this is a very difficult job. The lateral tension took a lot of the pressure off the middle of the dent. Ultimately gave me a really good result. I'm very happy with how this one turned out. As good as it came out, it did not come out totally perfect. I did have one big mistake. There's a high spot that I ended up putting in it as I was trying to push through some sound deadening right here. But ultimately, the customer was really happy with it. I was very happy with it. This is not one that I knew for sure I would be able to get to this level, and I'm very excited about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have something like this on your car, it doesn't have to go to a body shop. Give us a call here at Southside Dents and Cosmetics.